Welcome to Toddler classes. Today's topic on animals and their shelters. Let's begin. Ant. Ant lives in
anthill.
cow. Cow lives in
Cow shed.
cat. Cat lives in
Cattery.
birds. Birds live in
Nest.
dog. Dog lives in
Kennel.
lion. Lion lives in
Den.
duck. Duck lives in
Pond.
elephant. Elephant lives in
Forest.
hen. Hen lives in
Coop.
fish. Fish live in
Water.
honeybee. Bees live in
Beehive.
spider. Spider lives in
Web.
horse. Horse lives in
Stable.
monkey. Monkey lives in
Tree.
rabbit. Rabbit lives in
Burrow.
pig. Pig lives in
Sty.
sheep. Sheep lives in
Pen.
tiger. Tiger lives in
Den.
squirrel. Squirrel lives in
Tree hollow.
mouse. Mouse lives in
Mouse hole. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.